Hi there, Damico, content marketing strategist, helping real estate agents become unforgettable. Now, one of the questions that I've received recently is how can I use Google Business for my business to help me become more influential? I think the biggest thing with any of these social platforms is to understand why they're in business and what their goals are, because the more that you can align what you're doing with what their goals are, the better results you're going to get. And with all these platforms, Google Business, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, LinkedIn, the biggest thing they want to do is provide value for the people that are on their platform. So the more you align yourself with that purpose, the better you're going to do. Now, specific for Google Business is doing kind of like mini posts and also video. So come on into my office. Let me show you how easy it is to add a video post or a regular post to your Google Business page. Okay, so the easiest way to get into your Google account is once you're logged into your Google Gmail account, go ahead and type in business.google.com in another tab, and you should end up with a screen that looks something like this. And when you do, and it depends on the placement, it could be over here to the right. Sometimes it's right at the top, but you're going to see something that says create a post. So go ahead and click on that. And once you do, you're going to see this pop up. So when you come up here, what you want to do is come over and choose what's new. And when you do, you're going to get this screen that comes up that says add photos or videos. So you can add behind the scenes photos, you can add pictures of your building where you do business, stuff around town, anything like that. And this is also where you're going to do your video. So let's say we're going to add a video here. You simply click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, you can go ahead and choose the video that you want to upload. From there, you're going to see that it's up here. Now you want to go ahead and put some words in to connect to that video. And when you're typing in the description, you want to think both in terms of what's going to be useful to the end user, so the person, your future client that would be watching this video. What do you want to tell them about that? What's going to grab their attention? And just remember these first couple lines here. So the first sentence or two is what's likely going to catch their attention. Think of it as the same as like a headline in a newspaper. If you're scrolling and scanning, which is how most people go through social media right now, you want to have something in the beginning to show them what it's about. So if that applies to them, they'll stop the scroll and actually watch the video. So once you go ahead and put that in, and you can go ahead and add some keywords and some hashtags, go ahead and just click publish. And once you do that, it's going to go ahead and add that to your Google Business feed. You can notice here too that you can also add a button. Call to actions on everything you do online is really important. So even if it's just learn more, and you can go ahead and direct them to your website. If you have an offer there or a contact form, signing up for your newsletter or anything like that, sign up and then also call now. So in most cases, these three are the one you're going to use for a button, and I highly recommend that you add a call to action button on every single post. And then, like I said, click publish and you're good to go. So that's it. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact me or leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you any way I can. Once again, this is Damico, content marketing strategist, helping real estate agents become unforgettable. Bye-bye.